Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, if you are look out for the best top-notch board seat, you have just sailed into the right harbor. So we know that the spending time on the water is a joy, but having a cozy spot to sit makes the experience even better. And board seat are like the captain chair of your floating paradise. And we have scored the seats to find the very best one for you. Whatever you are into, fishing, cruising, and or just enjoying the waves, a good boat, a seat can make all the difference. So I already started my list. You can see I share the best board seats, models details, model names, and price details, and customer review rating, which is sale most of the time. And I hope you will get best board seat from our list, and you don't need to spend lots of time on internet for searching best board seat. So board seats are like the captain chair of your floating paradise, I already said, but you are gliding over the water, feeling the breeze on your face, and your seat is so comfy you never want to leave. That is the magic of the fantastic board seat. So but we get it, choosing the right one can be a bit like navigate through a sea of options. And fear not, fellow sailors, we have put together a list of the best board seat you can see already that promise not only comfort but also durability and style. These seats are like the first mate you have always dreamed of, reliable, supportive, and ready for whatever the open water throw you way. And so join us on this journey as we explore the finest board seats that will turn your boat into a floating oasis, and get ready to set sail in comfort and style, because of the best board seat are just a click away. In description box you can check out, and let's them make every moment on the water a breeze. So guys, you can see already our list, and at number 6 is Wise made back fishing board seat with a logo with a price of $60, 4.6 out of 5 star. This board is get from the 1300 customer review and ratings. At number 7 is again Wise model number AWD734 standard low back board seat, which is cost around $56 and 4.4 out of 5 star from 347 customer review ratings rates this board seat. So guys, keep watching our video for the entire board seat list, and I hope you will get best board seat from our this list. And if you get your best one, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and keep watching our video for the entire. Thank you.